Good morning, student. Today 21st April 2021, and now we learn the subject history of class 6, chapter 2, the early humans. In previous chapter we have learned about the early humans, and we will learn regarding the how scientists Earth was formed approximately 4.6 billion, and the story of man originated relatively new present day human beings designed from ape-like ancestors who walked on four limbs. And after that we learn about the Stone Age. What is the meaning of Stone Age? The age of stone, in which age the early humans used to stone as a tools or their daily routines equipment is called the Stone Age. Okay. Now the Stone Age in the Stone Age further distributed in four type of Stone Age. We have already learned it about the classification of Stone Age. The first was Paleolithic Age, which started from complete Stone Age, and after that the second was Mesolithic Age, the mid Stone Age, and after that we learned about the Neolithic Age, which it is the New Stone Age. It can be called the New Stone Age, and after that we lost the Chalcolithic Age, Copper Age. That can be Copper Age. Okay. After study the classification of Stone Age, we come to the point of as per the Paleolithic Age. The first was Paleolithic Age. What is the Paleolithic Age? The first stage of human civilization is known as the Paleolithic Age. Okay. After the Paleolithic Age, we come to the point tools, in which the tools used by Paleolithic man were crude and unpolished. We learn about the tools used by the man in Paleolithic Age. That tools were crude and unpolished, but normal as a natural. Okay, and they are called the pebble tools. That tools were called the pebble tools. After that, they used for all kinds of purpose. They used the tools which was invented in the Paleolithic Age, that was used for so many purposes. And after that, we come to the point the distribution of tools. They distribute two types of tools: core tools and flag implements. Now we knew about the core tools. The core tools were made of chipping and shaping large stone. The core tool was made by the chipping and shaping of large stone. They break the stone and put the part in part, and after the breaking they used to make the core tools. That was chipping and shaping. They were usually pre-shaped. They means tools used in the core tools was pre-shaped with sharp edge like hand axe, which were held in the hand and used to cut tree and sharp steel. And after that we come to the point discovery of fire. One of the greatest achievements of the early man was discovery of the fire. One of the important discovery which was made in the Paleolithic was fire. The early man feared fire. Firstly, the early man was afraid from the fire because they did not know how it is used and what is the fire. So afraid that the fire. But when forest fires broke out, the first at accidentally, some even the forest breaks out. Then, as a result of lightning, it may be the result of lightning and thundering. We saw when the lightning and thundering, the rays comes to the earth, and it may be the cause of forest fire, and so break out. So as was the result of lightning, he began to use it, and the man began to use that. The discovery of fire was probably accidental. So it is said that the discovery of fire was accidental. It may be the cause of lightning and thundering. So it can be said the reason the discovery of fire was an accidental. The early man learned how to make fire by rubbing into stone by trial and error. Early man know how to prepare the fire by rubbing in stone. Okay, and after that the fire was used for various purposes include, and we knew about the various purposes of fire used in their life. That was keeping warm, keeping frightening of animals from the caves. They use fire as a security measures for the life in the night of where they stay in the caves. So wild animal go away after seeing the fire. The third point, cooking food. Fire was also used for the cooking food, and fourth and last was providing light inside our caves at night, and they used the fire as a providing for their life in the light as a fire. After that we learn about the art. We have already learned it that about art. The Paleolithic men were skillful artists. They expressed themselves by painting walls. They expressed themselves by painting. We know about their art after seeing the painting. Okay. After that we come to the point Mesolithic age. The Mesolithic age is with mid Stone Age. Okay. The mid Stone Age is known as the Mesolithic age. The Paleolithic age followed by the Mesolithic age. After finishing the Paleolithic age, the age which comes is the Mesolithic age. Okay. The Mesolithic age, we learn about Mesolithic age when the early men tried to find a way to make life more comfortable. In the Mesolithic age, men used to comfort their life more comfort than the Paleolithic age, because they develop something about their life and they make the comfort their life instead of Paleolithic age. Domestication of plants and animals. In this age, early men started to domesticate the pet animals and plant something. When the Mesolithic people were still hunters and gatherers. In the Mesolithic age, men were also still in the food gatherer and hunter. Hunter means to hunt animals and use as food and routine work. Okay. Apart from that, they started fishing also. In this, it is known that in the Mesolithic age, early man started fishing also, because many fishing hooks have been found in the Mesolithic site. Many fishing hooks were found in the Mesolithic site also. Okay. After that, we come to the point Neolithic age. We have slightly touched the point which we have studied in previous classes. Okay. The Neolithic age lasts roughly from 8000 BC to 4000 BC. The Neolithic age was counted from 8000 BC to 4000 BC, and it is said the new Stone Age. Okay. During this period, man made considerable progress. In this period, which period? Neolithic period. The man considerable progress. Man made considerable progress. Man progressed so many. As it is, man gave up nomadic lifestyle. Firstly, what the man progressed? Firstly, progress was that the man gave up his nomadic life. What is the meaning of nomadic life? To move from one place to another place. Okay. The man gave up this nomadic life in the Neolithic age. That was the main important thing. And took to cultivation and used the cultivation to plowing, farming and agriculturing. It's okay. And began to live a settled life. And in the Neolithic man began to live in a settled life, mostly near the rivers. It is observed that their life was near the rivers also. After that, we come to the point refined tools. When man took to cultivation, he required tools to cut down trees and so on. When the man started cultivation, obviously they have to require so many tools. So they made the tools in the Neolithic age that were so sophisticated from the Paleolithic age. They were sharper. What was the tools used in the Neolithic age was sharper from the Paleolithic age. Well polished and well maintained. Okay. Man began to use tool made of basalt. In that age, the man began to use the basalt as a preparing for their tools. Okay, and which was harder, but that was harder and stronger and could be shaped, and that could be shaped as they wanted. Okay. Bones were also used to make needles. In that time, the early women used to bones as a needle in that time, and blades also, and other tools. Because of this, improved variety of tools, and they improved so many variety of tools in the Neolithic age. In India, tools belonging to Neolithic age, it is known that in our India, the belonging to Neolithic age, the tools have found in Kashmir, Bengal, Odisha, Central India, and Deccan Peninsula. As per our syllabus, as per our subject, and as per our calculation, it is known that the tools which is used in our Neolithic age were also found in India. That places are as under like Kashmir, Bengal, Odisha, Central India, Deccan Peninsula also. Okay, are you hearing me? And next, the point comes to the points is pottery. What is the meaning of pottery? The meaning of pottery. The meaning of pottery means to use a clay to prepare the pots. Like it is called the clay pots. That is called pottery. It is a pottery. This is the made of clay and it is tempted and then colored it, then it is a pottery. It is called the pottery. When man become a food producer, when the man started their cultivation, so produce the grain, and it is obviously that he felt the need for containers. After the producing the container, after the producing of grains, it is he felt to need a container to put their surplus grains after using that. Okay, the containers were contained to store the surplus grains. Containers were also required to store milk and water. It is said that also the container was required for put the milk and liquid also. At first, man wove basket from white glass and plastered it with her clay. Firstly, the man wove the bucket with the help of grass and painted it with the help of clay. But these were not good enough as liquids could not be stored in them. So that was no so good because liquid items cannot be put on that parts because that was made of clay and that was made of grass and painted by clay, so liquid item cannot be hold in that item. Okay, then later man learned to bake the foods over fire more than waterproof, but these were not good enough as liquid. So after that the man learned to bake the pots over fire to make them waterproof. After knowing that they are not able to put in the liquid in that pots, man able to prepare the clay pots and that was a waterproof. Okay, after that we come to the point invention of wheel. The next topic is invention of wheels. We cover the topic invention of wheels. One of the greatest inventions of Neolithic man was the invention of a wheel. In Neolithic age, that was a very important invention. That was invention of wheel done by our early human. Early men observed the way logs rolled easily. Early men observed the logs rolled easily. By the help of early man, know the logs roll easily. This must have given him idea of fitting wheel to this slave. And after the seeing this, they have must come the idea in their mind to prepare the wheel in their life. And carts means we see in our first early time we see in our childhood blue cart, horse cart. That is the starting of our transportation. Observe all easily. The invention of the wheel made traveling quicker and more comfortable. After the invention of wheel, the life of early humans were so easy and so comfortable because they move anywhere with the help of wheel so easy. So apart from this, the wheel was used for pottery, and after that, it is said that the use of wheel is in pottery also. The wheels were used in the pottery also because we have seen in our village area some clay pots maker use the wheel for the preparing of clay pot that run by run, and the help of wheel the pots maker make the clay pots. So it is said that the wheel was used for pottery, spinning and weaving. The potter's wheel came to be used during his period. Man began to use cotton and wool to make cloth around the animal's skin. And in this age, it is said that the man also used to make the cloth and wools with the help of animals' hair and skin also. After that, next point is religious beliefs. What is the meaning of religious belief? Faith on religion. What they faith about their God. Okay. We know about the early women what was their religious belief. Like the Paleolithic man, the Neolithic man too was afraid of natural phenomena. It is said that in Paleolithic age, the men were also afraid from the nature. Okay. Same pattern. It is said that like the Paleolithic man, the Neolithic man too was afraid of natural phenomena. So it is said that as per the Paleolithic, Neolithic men were also afraid from the natural phenomena. Like from what? Like lightning and thunder and thundering. So also in the rainy season, lightning and thunder comes from the sky. So it was the reason of their afraid from the nature. Okay. Climates like floods and earthquake also see in our time. So it was that was the afraid point for their life. Okay. As these were beyond his control, and that was were out of control of the human life. present in day we can't control it, that natural phenomena like thundering, lightning, and the earthquake, we cannot control it. So how they can control it? So that was the natural phenomena. So he began to worship forces like sun. So after failing, the early human of Neolithic age worship the natural power. Used to worship the natural power. Like sun, they worship the sun, they worship the rain and fire also. And death appease them. Earth to appease them. And appease, what is the meaning of appease? To make the satisfy. And they make satisfy to satisfy them by worshipping. Okay. After that, death was considerable a journey from which one never returned. And it was considered that the death was final journey. And no one can return from the death. It was thought of Neolithic man, of early age of Neolithic man. It was also thought that. Hence, the dead were buried and their belongings were placed in the graves in large vessel called urns. And there was urns where they buried the dead body and put the belongings to her or his items near to the dead body, that called the urns. You can see it. They also mark buried place with the hub blocks of stone, and they also mark the buried places with the help of large stones. And these sites were called megaliths, and these sites were called the megaliths. What they call that? They said megaliths. What is the megalith? Large stone used by Neolithic man for the place of buried or graveyard. Okay. After that, we come to the point, the Chalcolithic age. The Chalcolithic age was the fourth stage of our Stone Age, and it is called the Copper Stone Age also. Okay, the Chalcolithic age extended from 4000 BCE to 2000 BCE. The count period of Chalcolithic age was 4000 BCE to 2000 BCE, during which both copper and stone tools were used. In this period, in the period of Chalcolithic, stone and copper were also used in this period. Okay, the period was short. That period was so short, but very important, as it marked a transition from the Stone Age to Age of Metal. The period was so hot, but it was so important because the man converted from the Stone Age to Metal Age. So it is said that the period was so short but very important, as marking a transition from the Stone Age to the Age of Metal. Okay, understand. The point, discovery of metal. The discovery of metal was accidental. It is said that the discovery of metal was an accidental event, like the fire. So, in order to bake the clay pots, man used furnaces. In order to bake the clay pots, when the man used the clay pot, they used to bake that. Bake means to heat them. Man used furnace. Man used the furnaces. Furnace means a type of equipment where the pots were tempted. The strong heat of the furnace melted the metal present in the earth. The strong heat of the furnace metal, the metal present in the earth. Man found that molten metal could be harmed into various tools and weapons. And after that, the man come to understand that the molten metal means after the heating the metal, it turn into the liquid. Okay. The man found that molten metal could be harmed into the various tools and weapons. It can be modified in the various tools and weapon also. The man came to understand that the first metal discovered and used by man was copper. It is said that the first metal which was discovered by the early human was copper. The copper was the first metal which was discovered in our human life. Man learned to shape copper into various tools and ornaments, and after that, after heating them and after melting them, the early humans come to know that the shape copper into various tools and ornaments. The men knew that how to shape it copper as a ornament and tools also. Later, other ores were melted in the discovery of zinc, and other ores mix up of a metal that called the ores were melted and the discovery of zinc and discovered the zinc. The mixing of 1 to 2 metal discovered the invention of zinc, and in tin followed. Subsequently, bronze and alloy of copper and tin was made. Alloy means a mix up item of metal. the bronze and alloy copper and tin was made. This period is called the Chalcolithic. So that period is called the Chalcolithic period. Okay. Age or the copper age, since man used both copper and stone tools. And the Chalcolithic age from where the man started copper and stone tools also. And last, the final topic is society. Society of, last point, the society of early human. During early human society was simple and people live in groups. It is said that the early human society were simple and they used to live in a group also. Everything was used as common property, and every item and every equipment and every sources were used as a common property in that time. During the later stage, again by simultaneously, society became more complex. After passing some time, society became the more complex. Complex means tough and critical. The idea of personal property emerged, and it is emerged the thought of persons or human were changed to put the personal item in their assets. Okay, this is said that the idea of personal property emerged. Emerged means come to existence. That they wanted to put the property as their personal. Groups become smaller, and groups were become smaller in part. Okay, division of labor become more organized, and the division of labor were more organized. The labor group were organized more and more. Groups become smaller. Right? Everyone was given a specific task, and after the become organized group of labor, everyone was given a specific task, and every person and every group were given a special task. Slowly, as everything become comfortable, and slowly, it is become more comfortable in the life of our early humans. They began to exchange food and other things with the other groups. They used to be exchange their item to another person and used to take the another person from that person. See, this should say that they began to exchange. The meaning of exchange is to give and take something instead of giving and taking something. The began exchange and other groups. This system of exchange came to know as the better system. And this system, the exchanging